Welcome to GemHub Tutorials. Ready to turn those beautiful creations into sales? GemHub makes selling to customers easier than ever, with tools that let you share, track, and follow up in just a few steps. Let's run through it together today. To start selling to your customers on GemHub, begin by sharing your catalog. When you share a catalog generated by GemHub, your customers can explore your collection and express their interest with just a click. Here's the magic. When customers find something they love, they simply hit Add to Cart, and a new view pops up where they can quickly enter their details like their contact number, email address, and more. It's seamless, smooth, and super user-friendly. Once your customers start engaging, you can track all their queries in GemHub's customer section. In this section, you'll see a fresh, streamlined view displaying all the messages from your recently shared catalogs and collections. Customers can send quick notes, share their contact information, and tag their favorite items, all making it super easy for you to follow up and close those sales. And there's more. In the top right corner, you'll find a handy search bar that lets you quickly sift through inquiries so you can find exactly what you need, saving you valuable time. With GemHub, selling to your customers is simple, streamlined, and stress-free. From sharing catalogs to tracking inquiries, everything is designed to help you focus on what matters most, building relationships and making sales. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips to supercharge your jewelry sales.